Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now take another section of the hairs, roll it properly and fold it upward like this. Keep rolling the hairs as shown in the video. Now make the plaits, roll it and fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, divide the hairs, tie it and rotate it upward like this. Fix it properly, tie it and then rotate it again and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, fix it on the alternative sides like this. Now tie all the hairs divided from the between, rotate it and fold it upward and fix it and your bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back, make the plaits like this. After making the plaits, we will fold the hairs upward to make a bun. Now take the hairs from the sides, now fold it and fix it on the right side and it's ready. Next, fix this bun making tool on the hairs, roll the hairs around it and then fold it upward and fix it properly as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it, divide it from the between, rotate it and fold it upward. Now again repeat the process for a few more times, fix the hairs in the same manner, tie it one by one. At the end we will tie all the hairs and fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.